This is Ranjit. Ranjit, this is my very good friend, Mark.
Hello, Mark.
Piacere, Ranjit.
Hello.
Make him a nice drink. Make him a nice drink.
Okay.
Ilma tayyeb عليك. Ilma tayyeb. Ilma.
So, Mark, you like Malta?
Yes, obviously.
Oh, of course. You know, Malta, very beautiful country. You know, when I come here, my first boss, he take my passport so I not lose it.
Mela taru, tara Ranjit the Maltese, very kind.
And they give me job. 18 hours a day, €1.30 per hour. It is very good, fantastic. Because I am always working all the time, never boring. Maltese people the best.
Mela, Maltese people the best. Allora, Ranjit.
I don't know.
You don't know. Chi? You don't know. وهنا فيش وهنا الكاتسة تورتيها وهنا هنرجعوا نهدوها
Mark, Murhudu.
لا jiena teacher tal-Malti tiegħu. Murħudu tfisser il-ġurnata tajba, Mark.
Għana Murħudu.
Thank you very much. Many gratitude, Mark. Murhudu you too. Murhudu very much. You know,
Tajjeb jiena.
Jixrob, għada jixrob, ma l-lingwa.
L-ewwel.
you're so funny like.
Yeah, funny life. Try not to pay the rent. Tara kemm jien funny porċinell.
Xkamandek life.
You're welcome. Lejnitna, xkemandek tfisser grazzi.
Xkamandek, Mark.
Xkemandek.
Xkamandek.
Għajdilu l-ura.
Xkemandek.
Xkamandek, Lady. Xkamandek you too. And Xkamandek Malta.
Grazie, Madonna! Skemandek shit! What did you say, my friend?
I say like.
Skemand...
Boss, are you angry?
Boss, are you angry? خليني! خليني! زمني مالك! Porcinello! Allora, Mark, quando siamo...